Welcome to Spur Gear, where we do everything RC, driving unboxing, tips and tricks, and complete builds. Today's video is going to cover all the parts you will need to successfully convert your Axial SCX24 from the Deadbolt chassis to the Chevy C10 chassis. This is meant for anyone, like myself, that purchased the Deadbolt body, but fell in love with the Chevrolet bodies. We've got a few things to cover, so let's get started. The first and most obvious of parts you will need is the Chevrolet C10 body, product number 200001. This comes clear and pre-cut. You will receive with the body a chrome grille and a chrome roll bar with non-functioning lights. I'm sure you can Dremel holes and put some LEDs in there, but I think it looks fine the way it is. The body also comes with 3 decal sheets, which is a nice touch if you want to replicate one of the existing C10 bodies. One more thing about the body that I want to note, the bumpers aren't included, so you will need to purchase them separately. They are required for this conversion because they come with the mounting brackets and posts needed to mount the body correctly. The product number is 200002. What you're looking at is the Deadbolt chassis on the left and the C10 chassis on the right. In order to make the wheels and body fit properly, you will need to order some parts. The C10 chassis uses a longer upper V-shaped link that you can get from the long wheelbase suspension link set, product number AXI24 To start, we're going to remove the body and wheels. So I've gone ahead and removed the upper V-link and the lower links. I also disconnected the front drive shaft. So what I'm going to do now is replace this original upper V-link with the one that comes in the long wheelbase set. I'm now going to add the longer front lower links, so you can see the difference in size. This is the new link, this is the old link. Now I'm removing the stock lower rear links and replacing them with the medium length links. So I have to change this rear drivetrain out. And this is actually where the Deadbolt spare pieces are going to come in. If you don't have the spare links and drivetrain set that came with the Deadbolt, you can always just take the rear drivetrain that came with the Deadbolt and cut it down. So as you can see, the rear shocks are a little pushed back with the new links in. So what I'm going to do is take the shocks off and reposition the shock mount. Okay, so I ran into another little dilemma here. As you can see, the shocks are kind of crooked, and that's due to the longer links here. So what I'm going to do is actually put a servo horn here. I'm going to put it in the original spot, and then that should straighten out the shock itself. So, as you can see, the shock is now upright, and all it took was a spare servo horn. I'm now going to move on to putting on the front bumper. Okay, and with the new bumper mount, the front servo can travel through it, no problems. We're getting close to the end, so what I'm going to do now is put the wheels back on. Okay, on to the final portion. Okay, now I'm just putting the Chevy C10 body posts on. They're different from the Deadbolt, so. Moment of truth. There you have it. 3 must-buy items to convert your Deadbolt chassis to the C10 chassis. The C10 body, the C10 bumper set, and the long link set. Everything will set you back around 60 bucks, but if you're looking to change up the look of your Deadbolt, it's money well spent. This is Spur Gear signing off. Thank you for watching.